So the speed of a 10 HP, 220 volts, 1200 RPM separately excited AC motor is controlled by single phase full converter. Okay, speed of a 10 HP, 220 volts, 1200 RPM separately excited AC motor is controlled by a single phase full converter. And the rated armature current is 40 amps. The rated armature current is 40 amps, and the armature resistance is 0.25. The rated armature current is 0.40 amps, and the armature resistance is 0.25. The AC supply voltage is 230 volts. So input of the converter is AC. AC supply voltage is 230 volts. The motor constant K into pi is equal to 0.18 volts per RPM. Motor constant. Okay. Assume that motor current is constant. That's called continuous current conduction mode. Okay. Assume that motor constant current is constant means continuous conduction and ripple free. So in the output current waveform there is no ripples. Okay. For a firing angle 30 degrees and a rated motor current, determine the following: speed of the motor and motor torque and power supplied to the motor. Okay. So all of you find this for these problems. So what is the given data here? What is the given data? Power, that is called 10 HP. Power is equal to 10 HP. Complete faster, right? Anyone knows? Given data. So here, try to constitute. So all of you write first given data. So what is the given data? So given the power is equal to how much? 10 HP. Power is equal to 10 HP. That's power is equal to. So 10 HP horsepower. And the motor voltage, how much? 220 volts. Right? Motor voltage. Motor voltage is equal to. So 220 volts. 220 volts and power is equal to 10 HP. And so next speed up. How much? Speed is equal to 1200 RPM. Okay. Speed of the motor is equal to 1200 RPM. Just 1200 RPM and armature current. Armature current. So armature current IA is equal to 40 amps. Okay. So your armature current, rated armature current of this converter of the motor, 40 amps. And then armature resistance. Resistance. So that is called RA. Is equal to how much? Armature resistance 0.25. Okay, 0.25 ohms. Armature resistance is equal to 0. And motor constant. Motor constant is Ka into pi. So that Ka into pi is equal to 0.18 volts per RPM. 0.18 volts per RPM. This is called motor constant K into pi. And then firing angle. So what is the firing angle? Firing angle is that is called alpha. It's equal to 30 degrees. Firing angle is equal 30 degrees. So this is the given data. So what is the questions here? Find the speed of the motor. Speed of the motor and the motor torque. First one is speed of the motor. That is called first one speed of the motor. And second one motor torque. And third one power supply to the motor. Okay. Third one power supply to the motor. So these are the three questions at firing angle 30 degrees. Okay. So how to find first speed? You know well speed formula n is equal by k into pi. Okay. So n is equal to first solution. First speed solution. Okay. So how to find speed? Speed n is equal to EB divided by k into pi. Am I right? Here k into pi is known. That's called motor constant. So from this is known, and then unknown is EB. No? So how to find EB? EB is equal to k into pi. So how to find the EB? So by using this relation, you know well for motor, EB is equal to V minus IRA. Am I right? So VA minus IA into RA. Am I right? This is the relation for EB. Okay. So here armature resistance is known and armature current is known. Armature resistance 0.25 is okay, and armature current is okay. And then what about VA? VA is unknown, no? So that's why we need to find VA. VA is equal to, so what is the converter here? Single phase full converter, no? Single phase the motor can be controlled by single phase full converter. So what is the output of output waveform? That is called input of the motor for single phase full converter. Full converter 2 Vm by pi into cos alpha. For semi converter Vm by pi into 1 plus cos alpha. Am I right? 2 Vm by pi into 2 Vm by pi into cos alpha. Am I right? Okay. So alpha is also known. So Vm, that is called input supply voltage, AC. Okay. So after finding the VA, substitute here, you will get EB, and substitute here, you will get speed. So that is the first problem. Understood? So VA is equal to 2 Vm by pi into cos alpha. So that is equal to 2 Vm by pi into cos alpha. So 2 into, so Vm is nothing but 230 volts input voltage. AC. How much here? So 230 volts, no? AC supply voltage input of the converter, that is called 230 volts. Okay. So this called maximum value. So RMS value, this is called 230 volts is called RMS. Convert into RMS. You know well VRMS is equal, so Vm by root 230 volts is called RMS value. So Vm is equal to 230 into root 2. So root 2 into 230. So pi into cos alpha. Cos how much? Cos alpha means 30 degrees. So tell me what is the VA here? Use calculators, find VA. Approximately 180, approximately 179. 0.33. This is the voltage. VA is equal to armature voltage is equal to 179.33 volts. Substitute here in this equation. So VA is called armature voltage. Substitute in this equation. We'll get EB is equal to VA minus VA is nothing but 179.33. IA into RA. What is the armature current here? Armature current is nothing but 40. So 40 into armature current into IA into RA. RA 0.25. So how much here? So 169.33 volts. It's called back EMF. Okay. Yeah, back EMF known. So then K into pi is also known. This K into pi into motor constant is known. Okay, unknown thing is here EB. So already got EB is equal 169.33 from this using these expressions. Okay, so substitute here n is equal to EB by pi. No? So EB how much? 169.33 volts per K into pi. So how much K into pi? What is that? So 0.18 volts per. So 0.18 per RPM. Then speed is equal to how much? 940. Okay, 940 point. Use calculator. Verify these answers are correct or not. Okay, this my answer is correct or not. Verify by using calculator. 940 RPM. I think 940 point. Okay, then convert into radians per second. 2.8 by 60. Na? Omega is equal to 2.8 by 60. Speed convert into radians per second. 2.8 by 60. So 2 into pi to n. So it is n here 940.72 or 60. So we'll get approximately 98.51 radians per second. This is the speed of this motor. First question is over, and then second, what is the second? Motor torque. So how to find the torque? Torque is equal to relation. Okay. Second one. So that is called B question. So how to find the motor torque? Motor torque. So how to find the motor torque? K into pi into I. Right? This is called equation of motor torque equation. Okay. So motor torque. The K into pi is called motor constant is known 0.18 volts per RPM. And then armature current 40. Substitute here. So we'll get simply by substituting the values, we'll get K into pi is nothing but 0.18. Armature current is nothing but 40. So we'll get approximately 7.2 Newton meters. Torque. This is the torque. The B question is over, and then power supplied to the motor. So what is the third question? Power supplied to the motor. No? So power is equal to VA into IA. So VA is nothing but so here what is the VA? So 179.33 volts. Na? VA is equal power is equal to VA into IA. Power is equal to VA into IA. Okay. VA is equal to 2 m by pi into cos alpha. You know well. 2 m by pi into cos alpha. So into IA. So you already find already. So we know this VA 179.33. Substitute here 179.33 into armature current. What? How much? 7173 watts. This is called power. It's clear. So these are the three answers about this question. It's clear, all of you? Example problem, another example. A single phase fully controlled thyristor bridge converter. A single phase, all of you write in your notes. A single phase fully controlled thyristor bridge converter operating from 230 volts. Okay, operating 230 volts, 50 Hz means supplies the armature of a separately excited DC motor running at a speed of 1000 rpm. Speed is 1000 rpm. The motor has an armature resistance of 0.5 ohms and a back EMF. So by reading this question, all of you write given data, and this back EMF constant is equal to 0.1 volts per rpm. Assume continuous current operation for a firing angle 30 degrees. Find average armature current and the torque developed by the motor. Find, all of you write given data. Try to solve yourself. Then only it is very useful for your exams. So first write given data. So all of you write given data. So what is given this supply voltage? No? Supply voltage. So how much supply voltage? So that is called 230 volts VA. 230 volts. It's called 230 volts. So supply voltage is VS. Not VA. Supply voltage is called VA is nothing but converter output. So VS is equal to 30 volts. That supply voltage. And the speed 230 volts is given. And speed how much here? 1000 rpm. So right, speed n is equal to speed n how much? 1000 rpm. And next armature resistance also given. Where is that armature resistance? The armature resistance here 0.5 ohms. Armature resistance that is called RA is equal to how much here? 0.5 ohms. Armature resistance is equal to pi. And the back EMF constant that is called motor constant Ka into pi. Back EMF constant that is called how much? 0.1 volts per rpm. 0.1 volts per rpm. And the firing angle how much? Firing angle 30 degrees, or alpha is equal to firing angle alpha is 30 degrees. So this is the given data. So find so what is the first question here? First question, average armature current. No? Average armature current. This is called first question. Average armature current. Average armature current. Find the average armature current. That is called IA. Okay. Second problem. So what is the second one? Average armature current here, and then torque developed by the motor. Torque developed by motor. Torque. So developed by the motor. These are the two questions. Okay. Torque developed by the motor. So VI is equal to by pi into cos alpha, that is equal to EB plus I into RA. So VI is equal to K into pi into N plus I into RA. So here VA unknown. So by pi into cos alpha, no? 2 mu by pi into cos alpha. Cos alpha is 30 degrees same. Okay, so then VA is equal to how much? Same 179, same as previous problems. 179.33 amps, volts, 179.33 volts. Substitute this here, you will get unknown only armature current. Here VA is equal to 179.33. Find all of you. So K into pi is called motor constant. So that is called 0.1 to speed. How much speed here? 1000 RPM. So 1000 into 1000 plus. So I unknown is here IA. Armature current is also known. Armature resistance also 0.5. Armature resistance 0.5. Okay, so that's only unknown is armature current. So solve this IA by using calculator. IA is equal to how much here? I got here 158. So verify this answer is correct or not. 158.66 amps. My answer is 158.86. 158.66. Verify this answer is correct or not by using calculator. Okay. So this is the average armature current and then torque. So how to find the torque? Torque is called K into pi into IA. Simple. But substituting the this IA, so we will get torque. So torque is equal to how much? Ka into pi into Ia. So K into pi into is also unknown. That is called a motor constant 0.1 into. So armature current is how much here? 158.66 amps. Substitute here. And 158.66. And then you will get 15.866 Newton meter. So this is the torque expression. It's clear. Simple. By knowing these formulas, so we will get the answers. Okay. V is equal to by into cos alpha. You know this relation. You know this relation also. EB is equal to K into pi into N. Only three formulas. Remember three formulas. You will get the total solution of this problem. Okay. So average armature current is equal to 158.66 amps, and torque is equal to 15.866 Newton meters. Okay. So this is the problem, and then so 820 volts, 1500 RPM. All of you rate in one knows this is called assignment problem. So 820 volts, 1500 RPM, 10 amps, separately excited DC motor. 820 volts, 1500 RPM, 10 amps, separately excited DC motor, has an armature resistance of 10 ohms. 220 volts, 1500 RPM, 10 amps, separately excited DC motor, has an armature resistance of 10 ohms. 10 armature resistance of 10 ohms. It is fed from a single phase fully controlled bridge rectifier with an AC source voltage of 230 volts at 50 Hz. It is fed from a single phase fully controlled bridge rectifier with an AC source voltage of 230 volts at 50 Hz, assuming continuous load current. Assuming continuous load current. Compute first one. The motor speed at firing angle 30 degrees and a torque at 5 Newton meters. The motor speed at firing angle 30 degrees and a torque at 5 Newton meter. This is the first problem. And second problem, develop torque at firing angle 45 degrees and a speed at 1000 RPM. Develop torque at firing angle 45 degrees and a speed at 1000 RPM.
Okay.